Once a company is public, they must understand that it's important to tell only messages that they can keep.
You need to inform the people, and they want the information because they gave you a lot of money, and their existence might depend on this money.
What I've experienced over the last 10 years that investor relations have been professionalized a lot. The people are better educated, they know how to speak with international investors, they know how to explain their figures, and they're very flexible.
Investor relations is not about pushing the share price. You need to give information to the investors in order to make up their mind, because they decide what's the value of your company. You have to keep in mind it's your job to do the operating business, and the financial part comes by itself, so to say. The valuation comes by itself. So you have to give the best information you can so that people can make up their mind and make a decision.
Good investor relations is about being there all the time, basically. So you don't just want to jump out of your bush when you have good news, but you want to inform your investors, the financial media, retail investors, analysts, all the time.
Don't hide in a crisis. I mean, there's always difficulties, problems, and if you hide behind your problems and if you don't speak about them, it certainly won't help the people trust you or trust the company.
Don't underestimate the intelligence of the capital markets.
Sometimes speaking about difficult issues might worsen a problem. If this is the case, don't speak about it. But if it helps to keep up the trust in the company, not only from investors but also from customers, you should face the problem and speak about it.
Maybe you want to raise money through a bond, and then you need the capital markets. And therefore they must trust you. They must really say, those are people that we rely on, that we trust, that we are willing to give money again and again. And this is the responsibility of good investor relations, to keep this credibility of the company and the management very high.